Well, good news. Many VPNs offer browser extensions. Browser extensions are lightweight versions of VPNs that work directly in your browser, like Chrome or Firefox. They're perfect if you only need VPN protection for your browsing sessions and not for other apps on your device. Just head to your browser's extension store, search for your VPN's extension, and add it. Once it's installed, you can turn it on with a single click. It's that easy. So, why should you use a VPN? Well, besides protecting your privacy and bypassing geo-restrictions, a VPN is a must-have if you're using public Wi-Fi. Public networks are a goldmine for hackers, but with a VPN, your data stays safe and secure. Plus, if you're traveling or living in a country with heavy internet censorship, a VPN can be a lifesaver. It gives you access to the open internet, no matter where you are. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about VPNs. Whether you're using a full app or a browser extension, a VPN is a simple and effective way to protect your online privacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.